Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from Onepearcourt. Today I will be creating this DIY black and gold vase. I got this glass vase from Hobby Lobby for half off, and these are the other items that we'll be needing. We've got the glue gun and crystal dazzlers and glue sticks. And of course, spray paint, the black and the gold as well. We'll start off by spray painting the vase black. If you're new to my channel, I share DIY home projects, organization, some cleaning, and I'll be sharing lifestyle as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when next I upload a video. So here's our vase in black. What we're going to do is to create a demarcation around the vase with some newspaper, and we'll spray paint the top part of our vase in gold. So now that we have the bottom part covered, it's time to go spray paint. Now it's time to add the crystal dazzlers with our glue gun. I got the glue gun and crystal dazzlers from Hobby Lobby, but you can also get it from Michael's or any craft store. The black and gold spray paints that I got from Lowe's. And voila, a glam black and gold vase. What do you guys think?